Welcome to the new video. Today we are doing a review of the KAIWEETS KM402 multimeter. If you've watched our earlier videos, we've already tested another KAIWEETS multimeter model that performed well. So, let's test the next model, the KAIWEETS KM402. In the box, we received the multimeter, probes, batteries, and the manual. First, let's remove the protective films and insert the batteries into the multimeter so that it's ready for measurements. Now, let's connect the probes, and we're ready to go. First, I will test the resistance of the resistor. The value on the screen should read 5 kiloohms. The resistance has been successfully tested. Now, I will test the 9V battery. It accurately displays the voltage of this battery. The next thing I will test is a small 3V battery. Now it's time to test high voltage. We will measure the voltage in the household power supply. It accurately measures high voltages as well. My final opinion is that this is a very high quality multimeter. See you in the next video.